There's times when your SwinTech one end won't run. A possibility is your motor's unplugged. In order to check that is locate the end that isn't running. The motor is located in the upper corner of each slide out. Against the wall, there is a flap that's got a wire. You'll have to pull the wire over the flap, roll it back. You've got a black plug with a wide end. If it's unplugged, basically snaps back in place. It'll only plug one way. And then try your switch. Timing a SwinTech slide, when one end gets out further than the other and when it's all the way out or all the way in, basically it's the same whether you've got a touch screen or a rocker switch. You want to take, and if the slide is all the way in, you want to extend it for about 2 to 3 inches and then retract it until you get both motors starting and stopping at the same time. Once you get them to where they're stopping and starting at the same time, run it all the way out and repeat the same process. Once you get it all the way out, retract it 2 or 3 inches and extend it all the way back out until your motors are hitting their stops at the same time and starting in at the same time. And basically it's the same whether it's a touchscreen or a rocker switch.